to all, like if we are waiting for like any big opportunity, instead of waiting, you can what the opportunity you get, grab it and experience, expose yourself with the organization and build your skill. And also like help the organization to grow also, and help the I'll tell the organization that what you have more basically, the confidence is must. If you have a confidence about yourself that you can achieve anything, that's it, that's the must, that is the most thing.
Yes, thank you so much. So, achieve anything in RPS space, that should be enough for an organization.
Right.
Okay, thank you so much. So, what about others? What are your goals for the next 1 week? I'm not asking you for next 1 year, next 1 week. Okay, let's talk. Everyone need to talk today. No other option.
In next week, I'm planning to attend as many as interviews as possible. Vajrang, some are still. I'm waiting for the interview slots, so they didn't even respond due to these Thanksgiving holidays.
Mm-hmm.
Before that, these 4 days, I'll brush up all my concepts what I learned earlier, and this training also.
Okay.
The thing is, actually, before attending this training, I got lot of interviews in sequence. Like in 1 week, I have attended alternate days, 3 interviews like that. So that time I felt very confident.
Mm.
But a lot of gap came in the middle. I didn't get any interviews these days. So I'm just waiting for that. I have reduced little bit confidence. So I'm trying to regain that confidence, and I'll show in the coming interviews.
Okay.
So I would like to explore more regarding the concepts, not only theory, practical point of view also.
Mhm. Okay. So, is our training or is our meetings helping you to gain that confidence?
Yes, Vajrang, you are covering a lot of concepts, right? In 1 week itself, if we see one day we'll discuss one topic. In the middle of the week, we are discussing about the interview questions and how to answer those questions. And you are sharing the posts which are more valuable, right? So yesterday also, I have seen some blogs regarding code reviews. So in my previous interviews, I faced those questions. So what is a code review? What standards you follow in code reviews? So how it goes? Is there any specific standards followed, procedures followed? So like this, these kind of questions I got earlier. So I thought I highly recommend everyone that this training session is very worthful and valuable. Only thing is, whatever points you are covering, that we have to repeat multiple times, read multiple times, revise multiple concepts. So we should not stick to one point, whatever you said. So we need to go beyond that point also. What is background and what is foreground for that point? So
Yeah.
if we prepare in that manner, definitely everyone in the team will get into RPA jobs as soon as possible. But sometimes fate or luck also matters a lot. So if the candidates who did earlier the interview, if they did well, they are gaining the opportunity first, and we are in the queue waiting for the opportunity. That's what happened to me. So hopefully, in the next week, definitely I'm thinking that definitely I'll say I have selected for this like that. So that is my plan.
So, Vijay looks always for favors persons or people who works hard. So that's fine. Even hard work beats luck sometimes. So you need to wait for 1 day. That 1 day, I will definitely I can definitely tell you that you will get three offers in hand, and you will wait to choose which one to pick. Okay, and you will call me that okay, Vajrang, this is the three opportunities that I have. Which one to go? I'll definitely have that. You will definitely have that.
Thank you so much, Vajrang. You are boosting my confidence to another level. You know, not only me, everyone, you are suggesting the ways. Only thing is, we have to follow what you are telling in the class.
Definitely, definitely. Go follow.
So,
Follow it.
yeah, you, thank you, Vajrang.
Yeah. Akash.
Yes, Vikram.
Yes. What have you been doing for the past 2 weeks, and what is your plan for the next 1 week?
For past 2 weeks, I'm doing just two things.
Uh-huh.
Is attending class
Hmm.
assignments. Second is
Mm.
preparing for interviews.
Okay.
So as for now, I have for two interviews
Okay.
last 2 weeks.
Okay.
And next 1 week is same.
Mm-hmm.
Attending your class, following your
Mm-hmm.
that is kind of religion.
Okay.
So it will hamper us.
Definitely.
The thing is applying for interview.
Okay.
So that is the main goal. It's 2 weeks, or you can say next 1 month.
Okay. So is your way of answering the interview questions or answering the interviews changed, or is it still the same?
Yeah, definitely it has changed. Earlier, I was just like one word or two words. So if you ask me what is Arif framework, I would have said "Okay, it's template."
Mm.
But after listening to your answers, like the way you have answered,
Mm.
you, when question has been asked, like you have start from scratch. So is it, how is it, our advantage, what kind of advantage, all the basic points you have to. That way, I have learned a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely it's a you know I have gained that thing, or I have learned that thing to how to answer the questions.
Great, Akash. So apply for more interviews, and more companies are actually planning to hire in the next 6 months. So
Okay.
don't keep it as 1 month target. Keep it as every week target. Like, okay, this week I need to attend two interviews. Are they scheduled or not? Siddha might have said you yesterday, we discussed. Like, okay, see what are the companies that are going in LinkedIn. Wonderboards. Go with all the RPA companies in India. They're actually hiring a lot now because they're actually see how the hiring happens is parent company can be UiPath, and they can take a sub vendorship. And since UiPath, to hire people in UiPath, it takes around 3 weeks or 4 weeks. But to hire for a smaller vendors, it will take only a week or 2 days. Within 2 days, they can complete all the process within themselves, and they can schedule an interview, and they can proceed further. So, if you can go with any such organization, go for it, because once you go into the organization, see what happens. Even if that organization is not able to cope up because of some issues, and uh, they they cannot continue further, that's fine. You might have already completed 6 months of your program, and if someone want to take you in, you already have that experience, that actual experience, then you can easily move with double the package for sure. Okay. Keep every week as an interview panel. Just make sure that at least two interviews are scheduled for every week. Okay. Balaji, thank you, Akash.
Yes,
Yeah, Balaji.
yes, like I'm getting very much confident to attend any interview,
Okay.
and moreover, I was facing some of the questions from the interview. I was not able to answer confidently,
Mm-hmm.
but now after going through your classes, that I'm confident that I can manage any questions,
Okay.
which technically, whether they're asking project wise or testing wise, I can able to answer them.
Okay.
And currently I'm working as a resource manager for one of the US company, Texas.
Okay.
It's in Texas. So
Okay.
they are having their own clients. Okay. So what I'm working with them is that no, they have RP positions in US.
Okay.
So our company is a prime supplier to them.
Okay.
To understand the client requirement, so I need to know about RPA also.
Okay.
So that is benefited to my current position also.
Okay.
And in future, if I'm looking for a change in RPA,
Mhm.
if I want to work in RPA, that too it will help me out.
Okay. So you're kind of settled now. There is no issues for you.
No, I don't have any issues.
Excellent. Excellent. Go ahead. So there is not always a requirement that after attending this training you need to go only for a RPA developer job. See, I did not
Yes,
cover only on an RPA developer concepts. I covered on a holistic project
yes,
RPA projects like
that's yes, yes,
how to test it, how to work with the activities, how to actually think as a if you want to develop something or if you want to create some solution. So you
yes.
can go into any position, not only as an RPA developer.
Yeah, thank you so much. Even after you said me to attend interviews, I able to clear TCS interview actually
Oh, great.
uh, through a vendor called 4A Software.
Okay.
So I got offer from there, and I was able to crack Deloitte interview too.
Mm-hmm.
That is also through vendor only.
Okay.
So check it's a contract position. After that, it will be a permanent role.
Mm.
So just want to check how I am confident in interview.
Yeah, you are
So they
very
offered
confident.
me good package also.
You are very confident and you are able to crack the interviews as well. So,
Yes, yes, yes.
uh,
I'm
the,
able to crack it.
plan properly since you are able to crack interviews. See, now if
Yes,
I get 100 interviews, I can easily crack around 99 interviews. That one interview, that bloody idiot will ask some bullshit questions and I will
yes,
not be
yes.
able to answer.
True,
That
true.
that will always happen. So,
Yes,
uh, just go ahead, go with the flow. Just
yes. I'm
plan properly.
yes. I'm going with the flow, and also I like to suggest team members that So when any interview, okay, if they will definitely ask you about tell me about yourself and you about your roles and responsibilities. That is where they will find out whether you are suitable for the position or not. Because when we talk confidently about yourself and your technology and your projects, it will take away half of the time of the interview, and from there they will be confident that yes, this guy looks very confident. So 50% I can say the interview depend upon that only.
For the first 5 minutes. Like the first
Yes, yes,
20% of the interview decides the interview part, complete
yes, yes,
interview.
yes, yes. Because he comes to know how confident, because first impression is the thing. you know it will make whole interview positive.
Exactly, exactly. All the best, Balaji. Hope I,
Yeah,
uh, I, I, I get to see your offer letters. Just send them over.
sure, sure,
You can
sure.
blank or mark something. I can.
Yeah, I'm sending. Yeah.
Okay. All the best. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So Dheeraj already spoke. So Ganesha Shu.
Yes, sir, I'm Sean.
Hello. Tell me.
Hello, Vajrang.
Hi.
So, for the past 2 weeks, I am watching your videos and the training videos. And
Okay.
for the next week and the future plans, I will be learning this training will help me to learn RPA more deeply because there I have learned how to collaborate with team and those GitHub concepts like which you taught, those were these concepts will be useful for me when I'm working on a project in future. And then this training will help me a lot to learn more in RPA.
See, don't talk too much about my training. That's fine. All I want to know is how you can move further. Because we have still 1 week, so I just want to make sure that if there is anything that's missing, I want to cover. So tell me what's your goals and how you are able to get it.
My goal is to because I'm very new to RPA now. I need to learn my basic concepts.
Mm,
So that is my goal for now,
mm.
and to work on new projects is my new goal for the next week.
So I'm not sure how many of you know Ganesh is already working as a RPA developer. in an organization after he joined our training program, and now he's actually struggling to join our sessions as well as join the meetings at a single time. Is it correct?
Maybe I start with RPA starter course, Vajrang.
Yes. Okay. So
Yeah,
what was the organization that you joined?
Wipro.
Oh, nice. Congratulations. So,
Thank
uh,
you.
yes, great to know everyone getting into positions that they want. So, whatever
Yeah,
position you take it up. See, you cannot decide a position in a day or two, because you need to settle in that position, and your managers and your team members also need to settle themselves with you in that positions. Okay. So it takes time, but until and unless you have a very bullshit manager who doesn't care about you and always bug you to then switch a job, no problem. You have plenty of opportunities outside. But till then, just remember that most of the organizations are same. If there is a problem, if you can handle it there. Okay.
okay.
All the best.
Thank you, Vajrang. Thank you, Vajrang.
Glory.
Hi, Vajranga. Actually, earlier I had worked on RPA, but I had 2 years gap.
Okay.
I didn't know where to start. There was like there were so many hiccups, and I was like I forgot everything. I lost all the confidence.
Okay.
Then I saw your post. Then I approached you multiple times.
Yeah.
Then finally, when this training came, I just registered. After that, first week was like everything was above my head. Like when you were telling things, I know things, but it's like I don't know anything. I'm starting from start A. It was like that. From second week, I started picking up things.
Okay.
And like when you were telling tomorrow we'll do this topic, I was trying to read some bit of it
Mhm.
earlier before the class so that I can ask some questions or I can understand the concepts well.
Nice.
So like that. But this week was very productive. Like I was able to do the projects and all. And I was like so lost so much confidence that I was not even looking into interview questions also. So
Okay.
I was like, so now this week I'm looking into interview questions. I'm like taking up projects like any project, whatever you're telling, I'm trying to do it, whatever I can. I'm digging deep in. So it's been productive. So next week I'll upload the resume and yeah,
Do it today.
that's
Do it today. Why do you need to wait for next week? Because next 2 days, see, when is the best days to contact any for any HR is on Tuesday to Thursday, not Monday or Friday. Okay, Monday or Friday should be your preparation times. So by Friday you need to prepare your resume. By Monday you need to send your resume.
mm,
On Monday or Tuesday, you need to send your resume to all the vendors or all the HRs. The main reason is everyone is on weekend mode, right? But Tuesdays are when people uh, get that no, get that time into the jobs, and they say that okay, what are the pending items and whom should we have? So just think that these are the best days you can bet on. Okay, complete your resume.
yeah,
See,
yeah, yeah. So
whatever you place in your resume, you need to tell a story to an interviewer. Nothing more than.
okay, yeah,
If your story is hit, you will get a job.
yeah,
Okay. Every story can be hit if you narrate it properly.
yeah.
Okay. All the best, Glory.
Thanks, Ajay. Thanks for everything.
Ajita.
I was in hunting. Uh, the thing is, as you all know, I'm completely out of the developing almost 10 years back. But the thing is, when I joined first this course, like I don't know even basic concept of RPA. I was trying to do RPA basics side by side, but I'm understanding the concept, Prashant, as what you are saying, like APA concept, RE framework. But the thing is, I'm not able to put on the system. Like I can't, I'm not able to do completely the projects. To be frankly, GitHub, whatever you are saying. But until what I have understood, I'm just doing by seeing, by watching your videos, what you have done, the same thing again I'm doing in the system. By seeing itself, it's not self-learning. By seeing your videos, the same thing I'm following and I'm doing it. Even though I'm getting so many errors, I'm trying to rectify myself by seeing in the Google or UiPath forums. And so what I came to know is, first I should be thorough with my basics, then only I can complete the projects what you are giving. So this is my for the next few weeks, like probably maybe may take 1 month or 1.5 months. I should be completely, I should be completely confident on my basics, and then again I'll start working on this. RV framework and whatever the API what you have given, that I can do once after I'm very much through. Because to be frankly speaking, I don't know what is the JSON array. When you are saying in the API project, when you are giving that, I'm I'm totally confused with that. So, so I'm trying to learn. Probably it may take 1 or 2 months, but I'm very much confident that I can get it. But it will take time, at least 1 or 2 months. So
Okay.
this is the
So Ajita, if I want to tell you, you can keep yourself in mute, your reason. Okay.
pardon.
I'm keeping you in mute.
I didn't get you.
Okay. So yeah, there was a reason from you. Okay. So if I want to tell you frankly, you are just 10% away from learning yourself all the concepts. So whatever you are able to learn, you have actually covered 90% of your learning. Only the 10%. See, if you want to learn about right line activity, or if you want to learn about few activities, it takes only a video or only a document to understand. But actually, you have learned how to learn those documents, how to see those videos, how to work on those videos. So since you are able to do that now, and if you are able to do that by at least watching the videos or at least seeing the documents, then you are only 10% away from what you want to achieve. Just keep on practicing. And with respect to JSON and all, these are like very small concepts if you ask me. When you join an organization, there will be many big hurdles. At that point of time, you will see that these are very small concepts that you can quickly grasp and complete it. So everything that happens with your practice. So I know that you are practicing a lot, but don't have in your mind that you are not able to do the things. Tell yourself that okay, I'm able to do the things. How can I do this thing, this particular activity, how I can achieve? That's it. Okay, it will be easy for you, Ajita. Just keep on practicing. Okay. Shivam, thank you, Ajita.
Yeah, hi. So in the last 2 weeks, I am also applying for almost all the open positions as UiPath developer.
Okay.
And recently I've cleared the first round of interview in Boat Mantra.
Nice.
And yesterday I also had a second technical round with the delivery head of Boat Mantra. And he just checked whether I really worked on like any project or currently working on any RPA project or not. He asked about what challenges I faced during deployment, how do we like deploy in production environment and all. So then he told me about Boat Mantra, that how they work and all. Then he asked my expected package, what do I expect. Then also he told he just praising about Boat Mantra for like 10 to 15 minutes, and I was like yes. And
Okay.
then he also said that he wants employees that do not leave their organization very soon. And then he also asking me whether I am able to relocate to Bangalore, because they mostly enjoy working from office. They don't allow their employees to work from home actually.
Okay.
So so I said that I can work from anywhere. Then he told me that HR will contact you within 1 to 2 days. So he gave his feedback to HR.
Excellent.
That's it.
Okay. So Bot Mantra for now is a good organization. They are getting good projects as well as since that is completely a RPA company, you can get multiple opportunities and you can get hectic work. So the exposure of yours will be more at that particular position if you are going into Bot Mantra. So go ahead.
Mhm.
Okay. So again, if you get an offer, don't stop. Go for shopping. Go for job shopping. No problem at this point of the time.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what is the years of experience that you are keeping and what is the salary range that you are mentioning?
Year range, I am keeping 1 year and salary 10 lakh.
Salary?
10.
1 year, 10 lakh. You must be ready to um, reduce it a
Yeah,
bit.
he asked me that, he asked me that is it negotiable? So I said yes, it is negotiable, no issues.
Hmm. Yes. So at the max you can check for 7 lakhs. I mean, for a 1 year experienced person, getting 7 lakhs itself, uh, like before COVID, it's very
Mhm.
tough. But now, okay, some changes have happened, even in the management perspective. And once they are willing and once they have requirement, they are hiring. So negotiate it properly so that you will not, at
Mhm.
least you get an offer letter in your hand.
Mhm. Actually, yesterday evening I got a call from HR from Boat Mantra, but I was not available. When I came back home and like I saw that Namrata called me and he like uh, today I think she will call again. So like,
Yeah. Just give her a heads up that you are available for the call. All the best. Sure.
thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, finally with Siddha. Hope Siddha is online. He actually leaves the
Oh, it's
meeting
sorry. Yeah,
in last.
yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm in the meeting, but I listened to Suam. Sorry, I have one critical issues going on here, so I'm working with client now.
Okay.
Okay, I'll finish early, Western. See, I gained a lot of confidence here because I touched that experience. I got the touch, like
Mm.
how a RPA manager will be, how the RPA team will be, what kind of work we do, like um, what challenges we get, like how to work with this kid, like who will assign the task, how we need to work, how we need to complete the task and update. It's very good session so far, Vasan, for me. But I am struggling with the API concept because I know I need to work on that. I'll do.
Those are very easy. Don't worry. You will get it.
Yeah, Vasan. Vasan, as I said, I got an offer from Antwerp. It's a
Mhm.
good offer. Sorry, I'm getting call. I need to jump over, Vasan.
All the
It's a
best. Bye
serious.
bye.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So we took all the information from everyone. So if you want to give me any suggestion, give me for the next 1 week. I will try to cover. See, don't ask to take sessions on document understanding or any specific like advanced concepts for now because even if I take that will kill our project management time for at least 1 or 2 days. Those you can learn by yourself and those are self-learning concepts. With respect to projects and with respect to interviews, please plan it so that that will be excellent for you actually to gain more knowledge on that.
Hello.
Yes, Agustin.
And what's package
Sorry, what is that?
audio?
You're breaking, Akash. Can you please type in your question?
Vajrang, can we discuss little bit regarding UAT and rollout phases? I do not know much about this. Can you
Okay.
brief?
Okay. So UAT is after completion of testing. So it will be done on a client machine with 1 or 2 actual data. See, in production machine, we will have all the our production environment. We have all the client information, right? But in UAT, what will happen is, okay, we'll take some production data or 1 or 2 production data, and we will test it whether that is actually working as per our requirement. That is user acceptance testing, where user or a business user is the person who need to give a go ahead stating that okay, the bot is working properly and you can move it into production. So that is UAT. And the movement is same as you move any different environment. Here you will not have any restriction, like you need to work only with the testing environment. There can be a different environment where they will give you more access for the robot, and it can be controlled and it can be watched by a user itself. So user acceptance testing can be done for a week or two. That's the maximum thing. At least if they can do it for a day or two, that's fine, because if they have more transactions can be completed within a day, so that can be taken as a UAT phase. That's fine. To have it at least for a week to understand more properly with all the exceptions. And once the go ahead is done, what mainly they will see here is, they will not see here with the solution or code, but they will see what are the emails that are getting generated, what are the logs that are getting generated, are we getting enough logs, and if there are any exceptions, are we able to handle properly. So all these things will be handled in UAT. And what was the next question?
Rollout phases. Rollout means what? I do not know much.
Rollout phase is this one. How did you roll out? Like we discussed, right? How will you roll out your current package to different environments? The same thing. Same question is asked in a different way. That's it. How do you deploy? So rollout phases are how many phases do you have for to move bot to production? We have development environment, development, and then UAT or testing, and then UAT, and then finally into production. Okay.
One thing, last version. UAT cycles means like what you said, like weekly or 2 weeks.
It completely
How
depends
it will.
upon no. It completely depends upon the user. If they want to roll out tomorrow into production, they will complete UAT today.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. Last one question. Can we talk about sprint planning as a RPA
Okay.
developer if
So
we are
sprint
using
planning.
agile methodology?
Okay.
Yeah.
So agile methodology, when we are talking, like every week or every 15 days, there will be sprint cycle. So sprint cycle can be 15 days, whereas every day there will be okay. Um, there will be scrum call from 5 to 10 to 15 days. So there can be a question like, what is your daily activity? Like you can say that I need to attend daily scrum call to give uh, what are the work orders that I have completed, what is the backlog. So what is backlog in the sense, how many are pending, or how many items are pending, how many tasks are pending is the backlog. So you need to report to your scrum master on what are the activities that you have completed, and you need to communicate on what are the activities that you will be completed within this week, and what are the activities that cannot be taken for this week. So that is sprint planning. So at the end of every sprint, there will be sprint ceremony where you need to give, or you can say that you need to give a demo on whatever you have done on that day. So sprint is like a continuous process. So if you are planning, if you are completing a development in this current sprint, by the end of the sprint, you can have a sprint ceremony or sprint demo. And sprint again is again will be into multiple tasks. So all the tasks will be divided into multiple sprint. Not sure how to say this. Okay, in our training program, we have 4 sprints. Take that as 4 sprints. And for the first sprint, we worked on basic concepts. And for the second sprint, if there are any backlogs that that are pending in the first sprint, we covered in the second week. That is second sprint. And every sprint, we are actually giving some demos. We are seeing what are the backlog items, and what are the items that are pending. If I am a Scrum Master, and if you are a Scrum team, uh, you are having uh, you are having an opportunity to work on multiple activities within a project. And say that a scrum team will only be 5. It cannot be more than 5. So always scrum teams will always be uh, less than 5 members, and there will always be a scrum master who will be checking with the teams. Okay, Vijay?
Yes, Vajrang.
Listen to
Yeah,
this
as
and
a
prepare it
UI,
again.
yeah. Answer is good. As a developer, do we need to include testing part also in the sprint planning, or only development till now? What you talk?
So as a developer, you need not worry about the sprint planning. All you need is you need to take on when the testing date is, and the sprint manager or scrum master will do the sprint planning. Okay. He will say that this is the day that you need to deliver, and you need to tell whether it can be delivered at that particular point of time or not. If it cannot be delivered, then why it cannot be delivered.
Okay, Vajra, thank you.
Thank you so much. Akash,
Hi, Vajrang.
tell me, Dheeraj.
Vajran, can you please tell us about your journey, that how you manage all those things, like all the YouTube part, and you are taking a session also, and you are also doing some project. I know that you have a great experience, but how you manage all those things?
Okay, I will tell you. Just a second. How much current CTC should be for 2.5? How much should be expected? I am telling that current CTC is 5.2 lakhs and expected CTC is 7 to 8 lakhs. This is where you can also 10 to 11 lakhs with having 2.5 experience, Akash. And then you can negotiate and you can get around 9 to 10. At this point, we are getting, people are getting the packages. Okay, so Dheeraj, to answer your question, like I need to prioritize what I need more. Also, and since I started Vajrang Information Technology Services very new, I am not getting too many projects. So earlier I used to do projects on one-on-one basis. If there are projects, I used to do them. But since I started with an organization, I need to hire employees. I need to take. There is more for an organization than for an individual. Here I need to see only about myself. There I need to see about if there are any new team or new members that are hiring in, what will be their experience within an organization. So Vajrang Information Technologies is only a part of a bigger organization um, like Vajrang Group. So I have also launched one YouTube channel for entertainment purpose, and that is Avi Music, where that part is Vajrang Medias. So,
Yeah, I have seen the music over there.
yes. Uh, so, like, I cannot do everything on my own. I need to, like, the more you grow, the more you need to divide your work or give your work to someone else to complete your task. And they should also be in line with whatever your goal is. Only then you will be able to achieve. Again, I cannot complete all my works on all the days. And I need to understand that that is fair to go at least one step than stopping at one position without making any progress. So again, I also have some goals on, or I also have an idea on how I should proceed. Whether I need to take everything at one shot, leave all my job and like completely concentrate on YouTube, completely work on these things. See, I am passionate, but I am not an idiot. Okay. So I need to move to that position only if I have or if I see opportunities that I can feed myself and I can feed 20 other people having moving into that role. So I'll still continue to do what am I doing and try to gain those experience because that's what is important, right? All of a sudden, if I move into that particular stream and if I cannot do it, there will be people who are dependent on me. I cannot go back and say them that okay, go for and look for other opportunities. I cannot take this further. I should not be in a position to do that. So at that point of time, then I will move permanently.
Okay, thank you, Vajrang.
Thank you so much for asking me. Okay, we have
Nice.
yes.
Yeah. Can we, like, on custom activity creation, can we do something?
No. If you are concentrating on actor interviews,
Mhm.
learn on more on interviews. Going with custom activity will actually confuse you more. Have taken your confusion quotient at this point of time. No, don't go for it.
Okay.
No. So I should also guide you properly. I should not tell whatever you ask because you have many requirements. But what is required for an interview is what I'm concentrating on. Okay,
Okay.
excellent. So we have 10 more minutes. So what I want you to do is, um, I want one of you to be a scrum master and to decide and talk on um, our FDA project, bring out those issues and see how many of you have completed it and how many of you have not completed it. So who can take that lead? Come on, grab the opportunity. No one will give you. You know that I'll be silent until you respond. So please.
Vajram, what we have to do, I didn't understand your question actually.
Take my role, please, and ask about what are the activities that are completed in FDA project. Be a Scrum Master, actually. Okay. Ask all your team members what they have done in the project and what's pending. That should be enough.
Actually, even I completed Vajram. Am I able to do that?
Yes, of course. Why not? See, project manager will always depend on his team. He cannot do everything on his own. So go ahead.
Pallavi,
Yeah, hello. Yeah, Jita.
Pallavi, have you what have you done? Have you completed this APA project as we are discussing this thing from last 1 week?
I didn't get you. I mean,
We have started APA project right last week.
yeah.
So what have you done till now? And where we are now, have you completed? We have reached production all, right? So where are we now actually? So have you completed the project?
No, I didn't complete yet.
Till where you are, which step you completed? Coding part.
Whatever Vajran said on the first day, I did that project. But after that, we need to make a dispatcher or a performer. I didn't. I didn't do that, and I didn't got a time to check also.
Anybody in the team?
No. You should ask. You should ask everyone.
Oh, okay. Dheeraj?
I just have joined the meeting, so I don't know what is going on here. So
Nothing
please,
yet.
anybody will.
Today we have discussed, for the next week, what Vajran said today's class is like, for the next 1 week, what we are going to do, what are the plans for next week? Is asking, and what is how we are doing, and how much we have understood in the concepts. This is the thing we have done in this slide. And now, Vajra
Okay.
the Scrum Master role, and he asked me to question each and everyone how much the project has been completed and what are the things you people have done. So this is the thing going on.
Okay. So I have one doubt. If we need to resolve that bug and re pull request, or I mean,
Yes, you need
I
to.
don't have
Sorry.
the whole project, or do we need to do that only that much code? I mean, just solve that code and that's it, or solve that problem, or do we need to do entire project from scratch?
Should I answer?
Tell the answer. Ajita, tell the answer.
Yes, we need to fix the bugs and we need to post it in the GitHub. That only. We need to solve
Oh,
those bugs, not to solve the issues.
okay.
Take a copy of the project or folder and keep it in your project. Keep it in your folder and clear the issues.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay. And
Next,
Ajita, the question is same for everyone. You can just call out the names and ask for the status. No need to tell everyone all the questions.
Vijay,
Yes, Ajita.
I mean, have you completed this? Vijay? What we have, what
Actually, right now I started working on the bugs part. One bug I have cleared, FDA REF bug. Still, I'm working on the remaining two. So once I complete everything, I'll send it.
Okay. One thing you are missing is if you are working on any bug or any issue, just comment out stating that you are working on that bug, so I can assign them to you.
Okay.
Akash?
Hello.
Hello. Akash?
Yeah. So actually, I haven't started with the project. I was so but complete within 2 days. Next 2 days.
Neeraj?
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello. Neeraj?
yeah. Hi, Ajita.
Hi.
So, Ajita, right now I have not completed my project, but as I am don't have a much knowledge about the API one, so I start getting a knowledge of the basic part, and I have planning to do like in this weekend I have planning to do the project and deploying from my side also. I'm still going through it. API is like a bit difficult part for me, but I'm still learning about.
Okay. Dheeraj, there is no need for you to learn API for now. Use the existing API calls that we already have as activities and just structure
Okay,
the project.
all right, buddy.
Okay.
Okay.
Sita?
You can you can leave Siddha for now.
Yes. Glory?
Glory left the meeting immediately after I answered the question. So next,
Where is he?
Shivam, actually I have assigned a task for you, and I have mentioned your name.
Yes.
So just go ahead
Hmm.
and add a comment so that I can assign it to you. Okay. So thank you so much, Aditya. You have done very good job. Okay. See, someone is having the same updates getting done.
Ask you one thing.
Yes.
So you told me to take your role and ask the questions. Okay, I have asked the question,
Mm.
but the thing, everybody did not started the work. Like somebody is in a halfway, somebody did not start. So in my case, like if that is the case in the team, so what will be the reply from the project manager or scrum master? Because we will have some target for that project, right? If we don't start also, it won't. It is not the way to answer in the professional way, right? So
Exactly.
I just want to learn how could we react, like how the project manager will react and how the team members reply for this. That is the thing what I want to know.
Okay. So I'll keep you in mute first. Okay. Okay. Super question. So how will I react? First thing, uh, here I may or may not react because my task is to make you understand how a project feels like. And if you are able to complete, few members are able to complete, few members are not able to complete. That's fine for me. I'm not losing anything here. But in a project or in a actual scenario, if I'm a project manager, scenario will be completely different. Like, first question is whether I have given proper targets for you. Is it too much of a target, or whether with your capacity and with your knowledge will you be able to do within that particular team? The scrum call is just to understand whether we are having a progress every day or not. It's not to complete all the project within a day. So there can be days where we cannot be productive, or we can sometimes we can uh, spend all our time only for learning, but with the actual code we are not able to make any proceedings. But that's fine at some point of time. And even project managers should have an understanding of what are the technicalities of the project, or a scrum master should have the understanding of what is a project, and it will how much time it will take to complete a project. How he will get it? By the experience, by leading the projects. So if Ajita, you do it every day, like okay, you ask about the task and you ask about how you have done, and then one fine day you will ask, why the hell are you not doing my activities? Is there any issue?
Okay.
Okay. So then of course you need to give a proper answer. See, everyone are dependent on the other person, right? Project manager is dependent on you to complete a task, and you are dependent on your project manager to bring a task for you. Okay. If people are not doing their roles properly, then the complete project cannot work. Okay. Then that will be a bigger hurdle or bigger problem. So just keep one thing in mind, that if there is any task, if you are able to complete it within stipulated time, complete it. And if there is more time that need to be given, tell it upfront, stating that okay, this cannot complete it. I cannot complete it within a week, and you cannot tell it at the end of the week. Like tomorrow is the deadline, and you cannot go today and say that okay, I haven't done that. You need to be at least 2 days before. You need to tell that okay, this is where we are, and these are the pending items, and we are blocked because of these issues. Tell why, where, and how. Why are we blocked, where are we blocked, and how can we get through that block? Then it will be easier.
Okay.
Okay, we are done with the session today. Also, I hope everyone understood where they are, how they want to move for the next 1 week, because next 1 week is the last week, and there will be one more training team that will be coming in from the 1st December. So see, my priorities will change now. I'll be prioritizing more on that team than your team. Please accept that, and that's how we need to move. Okay.
And Vajran, will we access to the GitHub even after the course, or?
Yes. So you will be having GitHub access and WhatsApp access until and unless you keep only hi bye messages. WhatsApp and Teams and GitHub, everything will be accessible, and even I am accessible.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Yes.
So next week, what are all the concepts we are going to cover, Vajran?
Whatever the concepts you covered for the past 3 weeks, you need to do it for yourself for the next 1 week. I said you last 1 week is your week. You need to cover. You need to work. Yeah.
How about link queries and regex part?
Link I have already taught you in one session on how to work with link queries. See, link queries are more into practice. So I have already given you in my GitHub. Just a second. Have I given you my GitHub link for link queries? Don't tell me I haven't.
No, Vajrang, I didn't remember. Sorry, actually.
Yes. So these are the link queries. So these link queries are of two types, JSON and data table. So using this JSON, you will be able to, so this link sheet will give you how to get, how to see or how to filter the items with JSON. And if you go back to data table, so here data table, so this cheat sheet will give you this and just a second. And link queries, yeah, TCT. So here you can see all the changes. So here you can see like a data table, how to convert it and how to filter it. And the data is also available in here. There is also XML code. So you can download this and you can play it around. Okay. So how much time
So,
will you take?
Vajrang, I have.
How much time will you take for you to be expert in writing link queries? It takes an year. So are you ready to spend an year to get an interview, to get a job? No, right? So all you need to do is you need to answer that okay, you know link queries and learn some basic link queries like how to filter data using select query and enumerable and function. Do at least one or two and remember those concepts and in the interview apply those concepts that are enough. Okay.
Vajrang, can you just please once again, can you just share this link, please?
Of course, it is available in my GitHub. I will share it immediately in WhatsApp as well as
Yeah.
in here as well.
And next week you are assigning some project, and we need to work
Do
on
it.
that, right?
Exactly.
From scratch, each and
Exactly.
everything.
Exactly. From the PDD, you need to do everything.
So you're giving us two projects or one, and
Only one.
it depends.
Only one. Okay.
Okay.
So
I mean, you said that we will cover 4 projects. So I
yeah.
was.
So 2 weeks you actually covered to one project only. The problem is you are not able to scale up at that fast for 2 weeks. So don't worry. If you are able to complete this project, you will be sufficient enough to complete all the projects. Because if you are at least able to complete one project from start to end, then it will be fine, right?
Yeah,
But
yes. Yeah,
what I
if you give
suggest
us
is
so
okay. So
yeah, sorry.
how many of you have completed academy certifications? Please raise the hand. Advanced developer certification, advanced developer like a client security hash, as well as the third one. You need to complete two projects, right? Client security hash
Yeah,
and the what is the next one? The report generation, yearly report generation. How many of you
yes,
have completed?
yeah. I did that both
One,
the
two,
projects.
three, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So if you are able to complete, Vijay also completed. Okay. So what about Dheeraj, Ganesh, Balaji, Ajita? Okay. So what I suggest you to do is in this weekend, since you have already completed and since you know all the concepts, try to recreate those projects. There is no need for you to show me. All I need is certifications out of those projects. Send me those certifications out of those projects. So see, if you are able to complete those projects, I think most of the concepts will be covered by those projects itself. Okay. The next week will be a new project. I don't want to reveal the project code as well as the project now. I will be giving that on
Hmm.
Monday. But what I want from you is on the 2 days of this weekend, spend time and complete those projects. Do it from scratch. And now you will be able to do it much faster than how you do it previously.
Yes. Actually, Vajrang, in that, I mean, if you give us both the projects, I mean, uh, so after class we can
See,
also do that. I mean, for the practice purpose. I mean,
projects there
the
are
link will be,
okay, understood. So there are you need
yeah,
project scenarios.
yeah. I mean, the link will be the same, right? Same,
Yes,
right?
yes,
After
yes,
the class also. So,
yes. It will be the same. You can communicate and you can discuss within your team members and you can complete.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'll give you. So projects can be given any number of projects can be given. I'm talking about how many can be done within that next week. That's what. So if you
Okay, okay, yeah,
if
sure.
I give you 10 projects, you cannot complete all the 10 projects within next week, right?
Yeah,
I'll give you the projects. That don't worry about them. See,
yeah, yeah.
all projects are same. Must remember that all each and every project is same. Okay.
Oh,
Only the activities will be different.
yeah. Sometimes we face some different issues, right? So, uh,
I said you right.
so
Only
how can we?
activities will be different. You need to practice more on the
Yeah,
activities.
yeah, yeah. Actually, yeah,
Okay. Go ahead, Pallavi. You are doing a great job.
yeah. We will.
Whatever I have seen, you are actually you
Thanks.
progressed a lot. Okay. You started
Yeah,
initiating and you started taking out initiations. Like initially, I asked, in the beginning, I asked Ganesh to lead the teams and to say that. And on the same day, I asked everyone to uh, get to tell me to take or start the meetings. So the question was, why did you ask me and why did you ask them also to start? Who should do it? So the actual point is everyone should take the initiative. It's not one
yeah,
person's job to start with a meeting or to communicate with the other person. It's each and every person's initiative that they need to take in and to start working on the things.
yeah. And still we are connecting. Sometimes continue. Who is the people continue is Siddha and Vijaya.
Yes.
There are yeah. These people are really dedicated.
Yes. Okay, everyone are dedicated. Don't say that Siddha.
Yeah, I mean,
No, no,
in the
Pallavi, actually,
connecting team
no, no.
only. I was sorry, guys.
Yes, yes, yes,
Since
yes.
2 days we are
Connecting
not yet
team.
connected, we should not talk like this. Sorry, everyone. Actually,
Yes.
they are busy with office works and all,
Yeah, yeah.
so
I
not able to
totally.
connect
Yeah.
with us.
Yes.
Yeah, we can
Yeah.
understand. No worries. Whenever you guys are free,
Yes.
just drop a message in the WhatsApp so
Yeah.
that time whoever available, all
Yes.
will connect and discuss each other.
See,
Okay.
this is
Thank
your
you.
team. This is your team. This is your group, and this is your like circle where you can talk to each other. So use that opportunity, and also remember that everyone have their own lives apart from this 1 hour session, and if they need to give the time, they need to be interested and invested as well as they need to have time to give you time. So not everyone have that because everyone have their schedules. So if they are
Yes.
not able to work with you, that's fine. It's your task to do, or it's your at at the day, or finally, who will get benefit if you are working on yourself? You will be benefited, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
So have that positive
Yes.
mind. Don't ever think that someone is not coming and talking to me. That will never
Yeah.
work.
Actually, I don't want to say that because my communication is not that much
it's
good, but
it's
I am
fine.
trying. I'm
It's fine.
trying my best,
Yes.
and I have improved a lot because of this session. Because I'm communicating a lot. So I didn't mean that there
No,
are
no.
the people
Uh,
are not connecting,
Pallavi, we haven't
but
also taken in a wrong way. That's fine. Everyone will
yeah,
learn.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. All the best, everyone. Go ahead and communicate more. Talk to each and every person more, so that you can get the things done.
Okay.
Okay. So next week, Monday, we are again going to continue. So if you want we class on weekend, it will be for 3 hours. Decide and tell me, and it will be hectic. So if you are planning session for 3 weeks with me, then be ready to face all the new concepts.
New concepts means what, Vachan?
Again, I will talk about GitHub, and again I will ask you to talk all those pull requests and all. So
I am ready, Vachan.
if you are ready, then go ahead and start yourself first. Okay. Start with the meeting. If I have time, I can continue and I will join it. So Sundays are the time where we need to spend on ourselves for the enjoyment part, not on the learning part. But for you, it should be for the next 2 weeks. It should be for the learning part. Remaining days you can enjoy. Just go ahead and spend that time. As I have said, you complete or recreate those projects. Advanced developer training program. So Pallavi, what you can do is take the initiative of giving
Yes.
the link to the members of the certification,
Yeah.
and I want everyone to complete it.
Yeah. Sure. In my LinkedIn, I posted that certification.
Yes,
Ajay. I
send
can
the
share with that. Okay.
send the link of the training program, not the certification.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Bye everyone. Have fun.
Okay.
Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.
Thanks, Vachan. Bye. Bye, everyone.